Have you ever wondered how to make a love potion? You know, that magical concoction that makes hearts flutter and eyes sparkle with affection? Well, buckle up, because today, we're embarking on a whimsical journey into the world of love alchemy. Imagine for a moment a world where you're a wizard or a witch and you've got this secret recipe for love tucked away in your spell book. But worry not, because today, this secret recipe is yours to learn. Now, let's get started. Remember, this potion works best when brewed with genuine intentions and a heart full of love. The first step is to gather your ingredients. You'll need a pinch of rose petals, a dash of moonlight, a sprinkle of stardust, and a dollop of honey. Yes, you heard right, stardust. It's not a potion without a little magic, is it? Next, find a quiet place under the soft glow of the moon. Pour all your ingredients into a silver chalice. Why silver, you ask? Silver, my dear friends, is the metal of the moon and love. It enhances the magic of your potion. Now stir the mixture clockwise with a willow wand. Willow is the tree of dreams and intuition, helping to channel your desires into the potion. As you stir, visualize the love you wish to see. Picture it, feel it, believe in it. Once the potion glows with a soft, rosy light, it's ready. Strain it into a crystal vial, cork it tightly, and store it somewhere safe until it's needed. So, to summarize, gather your ingredients: rose petals, moonlight, stardust, and honey. Mix them in a silver chalice under the moonlight. Stir with a willow wand, envisioning the love you desire. Wait for the potion to glow, then strain it into a vial for safekeeping. And there you have it, your very own love potion. But remember, the most powerful love potion is the one that exists within your own heart. True love comes not from a potion, but from genuine feelings and mutual respect. So use this potion wisely, and only to enhance the love that already exists. In the end, the magic of love is not in a potion, but in each one of us. So go forth and spread the magic. And remember, love wisely, love well, and love always.